I feel like the best time to change your light bulb is only when it stops working, or whenever it is you subscribe to One Plate Gourmet for regular weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet, which, let's be honest, has been a long time coming. Today we're going to look at the very first episode that started this channel, which is steak. We're going to start it with 4 tablespoons of all-purpose butter, enough mint leaves to make toothpaste, 2 anchovies, 1 tablespoon of capers and their juice, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, a couple strands of parsley, some thyme, chives, rosemary for the steak, some salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and our rib cut steak. Now, the more marble there is to your steak, the tastier. The less marble, the healthier. The difference is grass-fed cows being fed grass have less marbling because grass has less calories than corn, which is better for the environment, but surprisingly that's a very complicated issue. But that's neither here nor there. Season both sides of your steak with salt and pepper and set aside. Make sure it's at room temperature before doing this. Next, we're going to roughly chop up our parsley, our chives, and our mint leaves, making sure to leave some whole for whatever plating we do at the end. In a mortar goes our capers, our garlic, and anchovies. Just pound away till you get some paste looking like mixture like this. Then in a bowl, add your chopped aromatics and your paste. Trust me, it tastes better than it looks. And the squeeze of half your lemon. Toss it around, add some olive oil, toss it around again, and set aside. Next, in a hot pan, go ahead and add some olive oil over medium heat, and after a minute or two, lay your steak in away from you. You should hear sounds like this at the moment of contact. If you don't, your pan isn't hot enough. After about 3 to 4 minutes, go ahead and flip your steak using the same instructions on the back and toss in your butter, thyme, rosemary, and 2 garlic cloves. Go ahead and start basting by tilting your pan and scooping some butter, then pouring it over the steak repeatedly for about, I don't know, a minute or so. After 3 minutes, you can test the doneness of your steak by poking it. It should be a little springy, but if you're not confident in that, then using an internal thermometer, reach a temperature of no more than 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or just hope for the best. Once done, let's sit for at least 5 minutes to finish cooking internally. I haven't really done this in a while, so I'm kind of clueless on how I want this plating to actually go. But hey, what matters is that we're here now, so let's keep it simple. Sauce and lemons on top, and enjoy. Oh, and there you have it. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, go ahead and click up there. If you want to see another episode, click over to your left or to your right, whichever. This camera's reversed, so